to make a fun fold. You want something fresh, you want something different, but we gotta keep it simple. This is the video class for you. Welcome, my crafty friends. I am Dawn, creator of Dee Dee Creates Crafts, and this is the Facebook page for simple solutions to all your crafty questions. Are you ready to learn how to make this card? All right, let's get started. This is the paper we're using, and look at all the different shades, the different patterns. It's two-sided. Lots of variety, Unbounded Beauty, and it is on sale. Let's start with step one, which is your base, and we are gonna cut it at 5.5 by, are you ready? 8, not 8.5, 8. So we've got our 5.5, and then we've got 8, okay? I know, I'm drilling the point home. Then you're gonna score it at 3 inches, 6 inches, and 7 inches. And this is gonna do the little stair step for the base of our card, all right? Then the second piece I want you to cut, you've got some options. You can do the exact same color cardstock, or you can get something color coordinating and a little different like I did with our first sample. With this card, I went with the exact same. What I did different was I embossed it, and then your next step is to score it at 1 3/4. And I mentioned it's embossed so you can see. All right, then your next step is to cut some pattern paper. You can see it blends beautifully. It's color coordinated. The first piece is going to be 5 1/4 by 2 3/4. Your next piece is going to be 5 1/4 by 3/4, and this is totally optional, but I'm going to share with you later. 3 3/4 by 4. Let me just show and tell real quick. This is your option. You can add it to the front of this card or leave the card blank. And we'll experiment when we get to adhering everything down. Then I also want you to cut a piece of white at 3 3/4 by 4 inches. And this is going to go on the back of the card, like this one, for you to write your love note and sign your name. Then I brought in and did 2 dies. Then I die cut with the same Unbounded Beauty paper, so it's gonna color coordinate, and then 1 in white and stamped a sentiment. And let me bring this in to share with you, because if you watched last week's video, you saw these dies last week on the card I demonstrated. Then you also will recognize the sentiments. I used the same stamp set last week. So I wanted to show and tell that for you. So let's adhere this down. It's good to go with our project. I'm gonna put my paper trimmer away. And now we can get started with our some assembly required. When I emboss, I'm just gonna share a little tip with you. I do like to use some tear and tape. It just gives it some extra strength. Now with your stair steps, remember this little short step goes in the front. So our strip is gonna go here, our next piece here, and optional here and on the back. So to adhere down, I'm gonna use some glue. You can use your tape runner, whatever is your comfort zone, whatever your favorite adhesive is. Now this is directional, so I'm gonna make sure this goes in the correct direction. So cute. Now when I glue, I start towards the center and drag towards the corner, because you know how the first thing out of your bottle is just a blob of glue. So that's just a little trick. And then put a little heart in the middle, and you will know it's because your projects are made with love. Okay, so that's looking stinking cute. I'm going to on this part for the back. I'm gonna put a little bitty bit of my tear and tape, only because I did embossing, and that's just my comfort level, is using some tear and tape because it's got so much strength to it. Yeah, I can see as I burnish it down, it goes into the little nooks and crannies of my embossed paper. This is called Take Your Pick, and it's so versatile. I use it a lot to put the bling on, but it also picks off the little. It also It also takes off the backing to your adhesive as well. Now, the method to my madness, the trick to the trade, is to completely fold this card up and then simply fold on your score line this piece, and then it's going to be perfectly aligned and stand up the way we want it. Now, this is where the option came in I was going to offer you. You could either put some more of the pattern paper down, and then we're going to put this on the front, or if for your own personal taste that's too busy. And what I did with the first one is I left it blank like this. So I'm going to put it flat again. It's embossed, and the outside margins will show it as embossed, and that's going to be lovely. And then I'm going to flip it over and adhere down my white piece, which is going to be for me to write the little love note. Write it says thinking of you. I could say thinking of you on your birthday. I could say thinking of you, get well, just thinking of you. All right, let's get some dimensionals. This label, we're definitely popping this bad boy up because we can. All right, so we're gonna put this kind of centered. It's all popped up. And then I want to share with you, I have got some ephemera, so I've pre-chosen these. There's a whole mess of them, and I'll put everything down below, but look at the variety. And there's even some black and white that you could come in with your blends and your alcohol markers and color. So how fun would that be if you had a minute? So I also want to see where I want these. So I just want to add some more cuteness. Yeah, let's go there. Now this, in case you're not noticing, it can extend as far as out here. And because this part is still going to go into on your envelope. So feel free when you're doing and adding all your little fun stuff. Like I can stick it out this way, and I think I will. Laugh. There. You see how I had to move it down? I got to make sure it's below this. Let's just add us some bling. I'm coming in, and we could go matchy-matchy and use the exact color coordinated. We could do different colors. Oh, I'm going to. I love this. What? I love this. You got to tell me, do you like it? Do you like it with the different colors? You could do all green, all pink, all of the peach pie, whatever you want in this whole wide world. I hope you are planning on sharing this video to your Facebook page. I want your other crafty friends to know how to make this card too. And then here's the pretty, pretty front. Which color family do you like better? Because you can choose a color family, but please know you would get all these colors in that one Unbounded Beauty Designer Series paper pack. So you've got to tell me below which card is your favorite. Oh, I want you to go like this, boop, and hit the heart button. I want you to follow Dee Creates Crafts, and I want you to remember to come back and see me again next Thursday, and we are going to make another fun project. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye now.